I'm here now in my country, Oklahoma, Miami. But I was so looking on that places area. I've been looking good viewer around there. But my helicopter, she has borrowed my father. But I come back on my country, the Philippines. Maybe next week I will come back on to Philippines. I put my friend Kimau. She is also now in the Philippines. I put it on my friend. Dahil miss na miss ko na siya. Gusto ko siyang isama dito sa Amerika. Sana makamit ko na siya doon. Balikan ko na siya ngayon. Aba, kamu din yawi sa akong daddy. Gamit din niyang helicopter day. Ay, mag-aeroplano na lang ko eh. Di, magbarko.
Kuya! Abot na rin ka?
Yeah, I'm here.
Ano ba? Kusay gidaan mo ron?
That's my t-shirt.
T-shirt?
I was so miss you.
Muna akong pasulubong na ko dre.
Yeah, that's all. My t-shirt is I give to you now.
Oh,
That
mo.
now.
Mga ayos na mga t-shirt tao. Ikan gawas ba?
How are you now?
I'm fine. I'm
You
fine.
looking at?
Oh, very nice. Very clean.
So you like that?
Yes.
Is that you?
Is that you?
Yeah, I give to you.
Yeah.
That's one.
Yeah. It's good.
You like that?
It's clean. Wow. Luka niyo. It's very nice.
You like that?
Yes.
I give you one.
Clean.
Yeah, it's so new watch on my cabinet.
Ang uli man ka?
I'm here come back on Philippines because I miss you. Because you are my friend. I was so miss you all the nights, all the day.
Unya sabi nag-English man kang dako mga Bisaya. O sarang ka dito sa Amerika? Unsa
Well,
man? Ha?
anybody other that
Na wag gyud ko kasabot na nimong gistorya
my
sa
father
istorya nimo diha.
was born to Oklahoma, Miami, and I was born into America. So I just all my things of me. I was so miss you. Here I'm now.
Ay, nya sabi wala ko kasabot sa imong istorya ba?
Saya. Okay. Ka nagmigas diri oy.
Oh, kasabot din imong Bisaya day. In English ka pa day. Ako ni kang Bisaya day.
Nagjubra ko sa mga ha? Amaw. Jubra ko. Sa ganan ka na?
Oh. Ganahan ko ano yung mga imong
Imuha na na tanan. Okay. Mau.
oh,
Kuyog ta.
unsa man?
Na, kuyog ta.
Tara. Tara. Tara.
Tana. Let's go.
Ako ni daning bag nimo.
Ay galay dana. Pa. Imuha mo na.
Elvis.